We'll guide you through how to access Krita updates efficiently and keep your software up to date with the latest features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop. Once it's open, go to the top menu bar and click on Help. Then you need to select Check for Updates. This will prompt Krita to connect to the internet and check if there is a newer version available. If an update is found, a dialog box will appear, giving you the option to download and install it right away. It's important to save your work before proceeding because Krita will need to restart once the update is installed. If no updates are available, you'll get a message saying you are on the latest version. In case you want to manually check for updates or prefer to download them from the website, visit the official Krita website and navigate to the Download section. Here, you can always find the most recent stable version of the software. Download the installer and run it on your computer, following the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. This method is handy if you encounter any issues with the in-app update checker. Keeping Krita updated ensures you have access to the latest tools and bug fixes, enhancing your digital art experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.